Hey guys, it's me again sKRipTOn, and this is a very special video to me as I got my first subscriber request. It said, hey, make a Bluetooth speaker, and I said, hey, I'll make a Li-Fi speaker instead, because why not? So in that course, I set out to make my first Li-Fi speaker. So the signal from the mobile goes to the light, and from the light to the solar panels, which decodes the message and sends it to the speaker. So there is no direct connection between the mobile and the speaker. I want to conclude one thing. A lot of people get confused between how it works. A school of thought says it's energy that is being transferred, and another school of thought says it's data being transferred. But I say it's energy being transferred in form of data. You can see that when I bring the source too close to the solar panels, the signal is very clear. But when I take the source further away from the panels, you can see that the data is damaged. The data is not so clear. Why is that so? Because there's loss of energy. So there's less data being transferred. You can also see that the voice is muffled. So that's all for today, guys. If you want me to make any projects like this, you can leave your ideas in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you are not subscribed already, please subscribe. On that note, keep it.